by FSR3 frame generation. For that, the process is very simple, and in this video I will be showing you exactly how to do it. So make sure you follow the video till the end and make sure that you follow all the steps that are given in this video. So let's dive right into the video. So in order to do that, open your Windows search bar and type the local app data, which is right over here. So let's just copy it, search bar, go to the search bar and type in the same address. Just copy and paste that in. So once you'll do it, you will be redirected to this folder. In here, go to the Silent Hill 2, Save, Configure, and then Windows. So once you go there, open up engine.ini file. So once you are in this file, all you have to do is to add these two lines at the end of the file. So you can simply copy it and paste it. I will make sure that you will get this in the description of the video. Then just save the file and close the file. Start the Silent Hill 2 game and turn on the FSR 3.0 super sampling in the display and graphics menu. So once you'll do it, you might see some visual issues in the game because this isn't the official frame generation support. For example, you might notice things suddenly appearing on the screen. So that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.